In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Microsoft Office for free, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But we actually have a few methods to go over in this video, so let's dive straight into this with the first method, which is actually in your browser. You can open up any browser that you would like, whether it's Chrome, Edge, or really just anything on either a Windows, Mac, Linux, or Chrome OS. And essentially all you have to do is go to office.com and hit enter. What you're going to want to do is then sign into your account, and it's going to load you in to something that looks something like this. If you don't have an account, simply create one for free. And once you are signed in, you're going to see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, and so much more, all as a part of this. Essentially, just go ahead and click on any app. It's going to open it up and you'll be able to access it for free. Like for example, I just got an Excel on the web app instead of on the actual app. If you need to save any files locally, once you have it open, do the exact same thing that you'd usually do. Hit file, hit create a copy, and then hit download as copy. Just keep in mind these web apps do require an internet connection, and offline access does require a paid Office 365 subscription. Now, alternatively, you could search for Office in your PCs section down here, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Select it and then log into your account as well. And within here, you're going to see all your documents, which are going to be cloud-based and local files. This is going to give you a similar experience to Office.com, but it does include all the files stored on your computer. And on top of that, through both of these, you can do the exact same stuff that you could do on the apps as well, such as real-time collaboration, commenting. Not to mention, you're going to have access to all those other apps like Calendar, OneNote, Forms, Sway, Skype, and so much more. And this is how you can legally use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps for free without actually having a subscription. As you can see, I don't have a subscription down here. You can literally see it's prompting me to buy it, but I could still use all of these apps. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.